They called him the richest man in the country. Today, thousands gathered to say their final goodbye.
Today we gather to celebrate a remarkable life and say our final goodbye. Before the burial, let us have one final farewell.
In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create your AI videos using free tools. When I mean free tools, you are not going to pay for image generation, you are not going to pay for video generation. We all know that you hardly see apps, you hardly see any tools that will generate videos for you for free. No, you see this video that you just watched, I made it with free tools. Image generation for free, video generation for free. So I'm going to teach you how you can do it the same way and build your page without spending a dime. You just started AI content, you just started creating. You cannot be spending $30, $50, $100 on tools when you're not even making money. You will go broke. It is when you start making money that, okay, you can, want to upgrade your this thing, okay? But I'll be showing you how you can generate your AI videos for free. Any kind of AI video that you want to, generate. Talk about African folktales, relationship drama, high school, a lot, horror and all that, even for your AI automation. If you watch this video to the end, I promise you are going to be generating your videos for free. I mean, without paying a dime. And at the end of this video, I'm going to be telling you how to grow your faceless accounts, either on YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. AI faceless accounts, your AI automations and all that, how you can grow it using free tools. So you might need to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification because I drop tips like this every day. Now let's get right into it. As we all know, the first step is to get your story idea. Very, very important. And you can just, tell your chatbots, ChatGPT or Gemini or anything that you are using. But for this class, I already said we are going to be using free tools. ChatGPT will not give you free images, except it can give you 3 to 5 images for free daily. I mean the whole story as raw file. The next thing you are going to do is request for scene by scene of the story. So this is the scene by scene of my story. Can you see the prompt? Give me scene by scene. So I requested for scene by scene. This is scene 1, scene 2, scene 3 till the last part. Can you see? So the next prompt I'm going to send is give me image prompt for each scene. So because I'll be posting this particular video on YouTube long, I'm going to be using 16:9, aspect ratio 16:9. But if you are going to be posting it on TikTok, on Facebook or Instagram Reels or TikTok or YouTube Shorts, please use 9:16. Please don't forget. But YouTube long, you are going to use 16:9. If you use 9:16, it's going to have like black border side by side. But to full the screen, like the one you are seeing me like this, you are going to use 16:9. So these are the prompts that we are going to use to turn it to images. Then I am going to go ahead and request for my character prompt. Can you see now? Give me character prompts. Make them wear luxury and elegant outfits, full body structure, facing front in a plain white background, because I want this story to be, elegant. Body people, wedding setting and all that, luxury setting. So that is why I specifically make it that they should wear an elegant outfit. I don't want to provide outfit myself. This is not a tutorial about providing outfit for them. This is about using free tools. So I sent it and they gave me the prompt for their character. So I'm going to copy the prompt for the character now and I'll paste it. I'll go to Gemini AI. So this is Gemini. Gemini is going to give you free images, though it's going to have watermark, but it's going to give you free images. On ChatGPT, you can only generate 3 images per day or 5, but Gemini is going to keep giving you free images, even though it's going to have watermark. But you'll see what will happen to the watermark at the end of this video. That is why you need to stay and watch till the end. Let's generate our character image. Let's generate our character. Can you see it's generating? So let's copy our second character. And Gemini is so fast when it comes to generating images. I've tested Gemini, I've tested ChatGPT. When it comes to creating images, Gemini is so fast. So this is the second character. Can you see? This is what I prompt. I did not prompt them to be African or to be black people. So can you see? You know, we've requested for our scene prompt. So you go to scene number 1. This is scene 1. See, this thing is simple. It's a workflow. If you follow it step by step, you are going to get what you are doing. So this is scene 1. What you are going to do to create your scene 1 is you read what is in scene 1, so you can know who and who that you are going to put in that scene. Do you get? So now all our character are not in this one. This is just like, you know, a crowd. So you are going to send it and generate the image. Now let's go and copy the second scene. So can you see our image? Very clean, right? So we generated the first scene. This is the second scene. Can you see this? We are going to come here, give me image to video prompt with dialogue script, and you include and camera movement. Can you see? Give me image to video prompt with dialogue script and the camera movement prompt. This is the camera movement, this is the action, and this is the dialogue script. This one is voiceover because, you know, the first scene is voiceover. They called him the richest man in the country and all that. So this is the and this is the scene 2. Can you see the dialogue in scene 2? The priest. Today we gather to honor his moving. So what we are going to do now, the app that you are going to use to generate it for free is Flow. Yes, Flow is what you are going to use to generate it for free. Flow will give you at least 50 credits every day. I have several emails. Some they will give me 150 credits, some email they will give me 100, but the least they will give you on each mail is 50 credits. And you can generate a video for 10 credits. You can generate video as high as 100 credits. You can generate a video as high as 200 credits. You can generate for 15 credits, but the lowest for a video on Flow is 10 credits. What does that tell us? That means we can generate 5 videos per day for 50 credits, and it is free. So let's go to Flow and you see. So you come here on your Google, you search for Flow. It is this particular one, this one that has this yellow Google Apps. So you click on it, then it will take you to this interface for you to sign in or sign up. So I'm going to sign in with my email. Can you see? We have this here. Yes, another tip that I said I want to give you, if you watch this video to this point, that means you are lucky. Another tip is you can generate images for free without watermark on Flow AI, this Flow Web. You can generate images for free without watermark. Unlike Gemini, Flow is without watermark. That is why I said you should try and watch the video to the end, because there are some tips that I will give you. So here, can you see this place? You are going to see this video. You click on it. Here it is image. If you want to generate images, here is video. Then, since we already have our scene images, then we are going to use frame, not ingredients. Ingredient is for character. This one is for frame. We already have a frame. Then we want it in 16:9. This is it. And you see 1 times 2 times 3 times 4. Times 4 is you are generating 4 videos. Can you see now? Generating, we use 40 credits, but we don't want to waste our credits, right? You click on 1 times, like this one. You are generating 1 video. Then you see this place, make sure you click and set it. If you are generating on OmniFlash is 12 credits for 8 seconds, and you can generate 10 seconds video for 15 credits. But since we want to maximize our 50 credits, can you see how many credits they gave me now? Can you see now? 50 Google Flow credits. Can you see it? This is free. So I'm not going to be using OmniFlash. If you click on View 3 quality, it's going to give you 100 credits per video. If you click on fast, 20 credits per video. So we are going to be using light. This one, View 3.1 light. Can you see now? 10 credits per video. Then we come here. Can you see start? You click on start. Can you see start? Then you click on upload media. Since you already have the media on your phone, we've saved it, right? Then you go and bring it out. Unable to load the airtimes. Why? So can you see this is the same one, right? So it is going to load. Can you see it? It is going to load. When you tap on the, the scene that you want to use, it's going to load for you. Then we'll wait for it to load. See, with this method, you can literally build any account with this particular method. Can you see it has finished loading? You click on here, you click on add prompts. So the prompt will be added in your stats. So you click and paste your image to video prompts that we copied from your chatbot, ChatGPT. This is what we copy from ChatGPT, and I'm going to send it now. So it is loading. Can you see? Can you see that it is generating? You see that they've deducted 10 credits. Can you see what I'm talking about? 10 Google credit has been used to generate this one. We have 40 credits more. So if you create 4 more now, then you have 5 videos per day. Trust me, if you edit your 5 videos very well, you have up to a minute. Let's say between 40. Trust me, if you're a good editor and you add some, some things on CapCut to it, if you're a good editor, you know what I'm talking about. To make a good movie, edit it very well. You are going to have a 1-minute video for this 5 scene. For this 5 scene, you are going to have a 1-minute video. I bet it with you. It's what I've tried before. I've used it to build accounts. It is what I've tried before. I've used it to build accounts, and I am testifying. I know what I'm saying when I tell you that you can use it to build accounts for free. Our video is ready now. Let's check our video, and it's for free.
They called him the richest man in the country. Today, thousands gathered to say their final goodbye.
Without paying, everything we've been using here now, we did not pay a dime to create this video. I am telling you. So now you go to scene 2, copy scene 2, paste it, generate it with your 10 credits. Copy scene 3, paste it, generate it with your 10 credits till you finish generating your 5 credits for the day. When you are done with this, you can, if you still have more, if you have more email, or if you still have more videos to generate and you can stress, just log out, log in with another email, and continue your video. Remember I said you can create your images on Gemini for free. On Flow too, you can create images for free. So on Flow, you can create your video for free. And after this, you just, come here. Can you see? Click save. And do you know why I like Flow? Without subscription, you have access to 720p. And every social media, the lowest resolution they want is 720p. Even on Almighty Grok, before you can access 720p on Grok, you have to pay. You have to subscribe. But here, with free subscription, you can access 720p resolution. Can you see now? Original size. It is when you pay, when you buy credits, that you are going to access 1000p and 4kp. So you are going to click on 720 and you are going to download your video. It's as simple as that. And at the end of the day, when you are done doing what you want to do, take your videos, everything, take it to CapCut, take it to Quickcut, take it to any editing apps that you want to use to edit your video. Edit it there, and post. That is how you have your free video without spending a dime. Remember, I promise you that you're not going to spend a dime. Remember I told you I'm going to tell you a secret on how you can do away with watermark, that people will not see the watermark there. This is what you are going to do. Get your page name or your page logo or anything. Just put it here. After you finish generating your videos that you want to post, just post your page logo on top of this thing, or put your page name on top of this thing. Better still, you cut it out. But if you want to cut it out, at times it might cut important parts of your video. But the best thing is you put the logo of your page on it, and you're good to go. Nobody will know. I hope you learned something from this video. There are other free apps that you can use to generate images and video to create your, AI content. I'll be dropping them in my subsequent videos. So you might need to, subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification so that you can get the notification immediately I drop the next video. And tell me in the comment section, what problem are you facing, or what type of free apps that you want me to, do tutorial on. in my next video. Don't forget, my name is Texsy Chronicles, and I'm here to help you elevate your content, create content with AI, and monetize your account. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.